less than 48 hours remains until we see a crucial pivotable point for the Bitcoin price. Not only that, but for Ethereum as well. So if you're holding Bitcoin, you're holding Ethereum, this video is going to be absolutely crucial for you. We are also going to take a look at my trade, how I've changed my stop loss, currently $16,000 in a profit. We're also going to take a look at the war in Iran, which is going crazy right now, and has some positive news and why oil has changed. Also, Trump has earned approximately 3 or 2 billion more since he's ran for president. We're going to take a look at that. Also, another crypto company has in fact closed and filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. We're going to take a look at the liquidations over the past few days and some other stuff in today's video, guys. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. I truly do appreciate it. Today is a Monday, so at the end of today's video, I will be doing a giveaway. Drop your comments down below if you want to enter for next week's giveaway. And of course, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want financial advice, please consult a legal financial advisor in your country. And if you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch, engage, or interact with my content. So let's get straight into the charts and see what is going on. So we've had a little bit of a pump in the Bitcoin price over the weekend, a little bit of a push towards the upside. And of course, as I said in the intro to today's video, we can see that the US has in fact paused its bombing of Iran after Omani officials visited on Friday for talks. Iran has since halted its own retaliatory strikes. Both sides have signaled interest in returning to ceasefire negotiations. Of course, this is bullish for crypto. This is also pretty bearish for oil as well. We saw a dump in oil, and yeah, we're seeing the price push towards the upside. A little bit of a skeptical rally in my opinion, but again, as I said in yesterday's video, the area which we need to watch out for is exactly right here. And I truly believe, as the title says, in the next 48 hours we are going to get our exact explanation of what is going to happen for the Bitcoin price, because exactly like we did right here, we just did not have enough momentum and we saw a dump towards the downside. And again, the same thing could be happening, or we could see a push towards the upside. Yes, I'm still in my trade. It's currently $16,500. Just a couple of days ago, it was around 25K in profit. However, I'm not worrying, because over on Ubit, my preferred exchange for trading, I've actually increased my stop loss. Right now, my stop loss is in fact up here at $68,841. Again, I think that should have enough wiggle room right there for us to in fact get rejected from this area, or if we do pump above it, hopefully we will dump back down and I will continue to remain in profit. Guys, right now, Ubit is having a crazy sign up offer. You can actually go down below today's video and get up to a $50,000 welcome bonus. Of course, there is no KYC on this exchange. If it's legal to do so in your country, please sign up. And of course, you'll get an instant VIP2 upgrade. Usually you have to trade millions worth of volume to get this account upgrade. It's going to give you a complete discount on fees going into this bull market. When you're buying up positions, when you're entering your trades, you're going to get a massive discount. And also right now, they just started this as of today. You're going to get a $200 position voucher for simply downloading the Ubit app. Go on the App Store, download it, and then you're going to go ahead and get a $200 position voucher. So basically, all you have to do is put $100 into your futures account, deposit $100 to the exchange, put it in your futures account, and you're going to get that $200 position voucher, most likely within 24 hours. So the first step, all you have to do is go down below today's video, go ahead and click this link exactly right here, Ubit. Make yourself an account, no KYC if it's legal to do so in your country. Your email, make it yourself a password. Then once you've got that account, download the app, log into your account, deposit $100 to your futures account, and then you can start trading with that free $200 airdrop. So again, you don't have to use that $100. It just needs to be in your futures account. This is an amazing opportunity in times like this. And if we're taking a look at some altcoins as well, for example, like Solana, if we pull this up and go to, let's say, the weekly chart, we can see that Solana is absolutely dead right now. If we pull up something like Sui right there, we can see that if we pull up Sui, if I can use the exchange correctly, that would be beautiful. If we pull up Sui again and zoom out, Sui is absolutely dead right now at levels it was back in July of 2024. There are some amazing opportunities in the market right now, as well as Bitcoin, as well as Ethereum. Not only that, but we are seeing right now ETH season is upon us. We can see ETH BTC, in fact, just crossed over this bullish level right there and broke this multi-year, since July 2022, broke this multi-year level of resistance. And I believe if we pull this up on the chart, we go to the weekly chart right there, we can see this same exact chart right there. And again, we can see that it's breaking it right now. Yes, it does have a little bit level of resistance, but if it is ETH season, if we are seeing bullish momentum for ETH, we're probably going to see a bit of bullish momentum for altcoins as well. And if we take a look at the Ethereum price as well, it is actually doing better than Bitcoin. We can see right here, currently at just a little bit below $2,000, $1,960. We are very close to breaking this $2,000 level, which is a huge psychological level, and potentially a push up here to $2,400 in the coming weeks if we are going to see that. Of course, we could get rejected from this level and come back down to this area right here. I'm very, very interested to see what will happen. A lot of things depend on it. Of course, the Bitcoin price, of course, what's going on in the world. If the US is bombing the hell out of Iran and they're retaliating, it's unlikely that markets are going to pump. We just need to say that. However, this is a really, really good opportunity. So down below, guys, there is that link for Ubit if you haven't got yourself an account. Many exchanges are tightening the belt in Europe, and if it's legal to do so, sign up for a Ubit account and make yourself an account and get that free bonus. So I want to talk about this as well, because Donald Trump has earned more in his first 2 years back in office than the previous 60 years in his life. Despite this, Trump told CNBC, "I gave up my salary. I don't take a salary. I'm the first president to do so." Well, maybe it helps if you're launching meme coins for you and your wife. However, I'm not going to be a judge of that, because he added saying that several presidents is above a bigger purpose than collecting the official presidential paycheck. And if we look right here, we can see Donald Trump is profiting off the presidency. He started right here in 2024 at 2.3 billion. Now he's at 6.3 billion net worth. And again, around just below a 300% increase. Let me know down below if you agree with that or if you don't. Yeah, pretty controversial, to be honest. And I think he's a very good businessman, but maybe the way he does it is definitely not the most ethical for sure. Also, guys, another victim of the bear market, Storgy has crashed 15% as Storgy Labs has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. It's a company behind the decentralized cloud storage network, has filed for Chapter 11. And again, the company previously raised around $35 million, including roughly $30 million through its token sale in 2017. So Storgy has been around for a long, long while. It's very sad to see this happen, but this is once again another victim of the bear market. And if this doesn't give you a signal to be buying, and if this isn't your signal to be buying the bottom, I don't know what is, guys, because we're taking a look in the last 24 hours and around 300 million worth of positions have in fact been liquidated. That was most likely because of this small weekend pump. Again, we don't usually get too many pumps on the weekend. However, this pump right here, a little pump up to around 65.6 from around 64, $1,500. It's not a crazy pump. However, people were expecting the price to dump at this level right here. In previous videos, I was telling you that we are in this rising or ascending channel right here, and most likely we will find this target right here. We will probably test it if we break this level right here, and if we break that level right there, it's going to be interesting. If we don't, we'll see a rejection down below. And again, as the title of the video says, in 48 hours we'll most likely know the complete direction for Bitcoin. Are we going to go back into bearish territory, or are we going to push above 67,400 and see a bullish break? Again, we can see right here on the charts right here, we have a lot of liquidations waiting just above $67,000. And again, we're only $2,000 away from that. It's absolutely minute. The market could easily push up above 67K and wick back down and liquidate all of these at 62. It wouldn't be impossible to happen. I also want to talk about this because I posted this over on my X earlier. And we can see Bitcoin has been in a bull market for 15 years. And a lot of comments on this were actually absolutely crazy, because people were saying, wow, this is ridiculous. Zoom out and you'll understand where we are. This is why I always say to myself, just keep buying Bitcoin. If I get a little bit of spare money, I buy Bitcoin, or whatever it is. If I have a good month, I'll buy some Bitcoin and just hold it, because the last 15 years, it's been super, super bullish. And we can see that right here since 2011 right there. We've just been in a tremendous bull market right here, and it's absolutely ridiculous. It's going to continue. Bitcoin's going to be $1 million one day. It's just a matter of time. So guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Drop your comments down below if you did in fact want to enter to win that $100 every single Monday. I'll announce a giveaway in just a second, but again, don't forget to go ahead and sign up to Ubit. It is a non-KYC exchange, so wherever you are in the world, you can join it. Of course, if it's legal to do so, please check if it's legal and go ahead and join without KYC, without giving your ID, if it's legal. And of course, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, just a guy called Jack sharing his journey in crypto. There is the bonus down below, guys, if you want to go ahead and get it. And of course, don't forget about this massive $50,000 welcome bonus if you are a whale. If not, go ahead and sign up for the exchange down below. Then go ahead, once you signed up, get the Ubit app, download it from the App Store, Google Play Store, whatever it is, and then sign in and deposit $100 to your futures account, or deposit it, then transfer it to your futures. Wait 24 hours, you're going to get a free $200 trade without spending this $100. So it's an amazing offer during this time. And yeah, let's get into the giveaway. All right, guys, so I have yesterday's video chosen right now for the giveaway winner. I don't always choose yesterday's video, the previous Sunday's video. It can be a random video throughout the week. However, yesterday there was quite a lot of engagement and views, so I want to give back to the community and give away. The winner is, let's see exactly who the winner is once we've loaded these comments. And again, we can see right there, the winner is Jones Gabriel. I can feel momentum building. Oh, it's a scam comment. Let's go ahead and pick another one. There are so many scam comments. $100 for Pink Punk brand. Congratulations, you won the giveaway. And please reach out, info@cryptojack.com, or message me on X or Twitter or whatever it is. And yeah, I will put you in contact with your prize. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.